In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contributors on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're self-publishing a book or collaborating with a team, adding contributors is a crucial step in giving everyone the credit they deserve. So let's dive in and go through the process together. To start, you'll want to navigate to your KDP dashboard, which might already be familiar to those who've published on Amazon before. Here you'll find your bookshelf, where all your published and draft titles are neatly organized. This hub is essentially your starting point for managing your book projects. Once you've opened your bookshelf, search for the title of the book you want to update. If it's a draft or a published book, it doesn't matter. The process is the same for both. Click on the Edit button next to the book's title, and this will take you to the book's detailed information page. As you scroll through the options and sections, keep an eye out for one labeled Contributors. It might be tempting to think this is embedded deep within layers, but it's quite prominent. This is the section where you get to acknowledge those who have collaborated on your project, whether they're authors, editors, illustrators, or other key players. Pause here for a moment to consider the roles you want to include. This foresight will aid any future modifications. Next, you'll need to decide the roles of your contributors. The Contributors section allows you to select different roles such as author, illustrator, editor, and so on. Choosing the appropriate role is more than just a formality. It impacts searchability and how your book appears to buyers. For instance, selecting author might give significant visibility compared to a foreword writer. Think about how each individual has contributed to your book, and select the role that best matches their involvement. Once you've determined the roles, you'll be prompted to enter their names. This step is straightforward. Simply click the input box and type in the contributor's name. Double-check the spelling here, as these names will appear on your book's product page, visible to everyone who comes across your work. If you have multiple contributors, remember to click Add Another after entering each name to ensure everyone is captured in the listing. This ensures your team receives the recognition they deserve. And that's it. You have now successfully added contributors to your KDP project. Before you wrap up, review all the information to ensure it's accurate. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Adding contributors not only enhances the professionalism of your book listing, but also acknowledges the hard work of everyone involved. So take the time to give credit